Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is November 8th, 2024, and we're diving into Baxter's third quarter earnings report. Baxter, a global leader in medtech, has just released its financial results for Q3 2024. Joining us today is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch, to help us break down the numbers. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Baxter's report is quite comprehensive, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their ongoing strategic transformation and the impact of recent events like Hurricane Helene.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Baxter reported total sales of $3.85 billion for the third quarter, with $2.7 billion coming from continuing operations. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Well, the sales from continuing operations increased by 4% on both a reported and constant currency basis, which is a positive sign. This growth was driven by strong demand across all segments, particularly in medical products and therapies, which saw high single-digit growth.
And what about profitability? The adjusted EPS came in at 80 cents, exceeding their guidance. What factors contributed to this?
The adjusted EPS beat was primarily due to top-line strength in medical products and therapies and disciplined management of operating expenses. Despite the challenges, Baxter managed to improve its integrated supply chain, which helped in maintaining profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Baxter's gross margin was reported at 38.3%, a slight decrease from last year. What are the key factors here?
The decrease in gross margin is largely due to increased cost of sales, which rose by 8%. However, Baxter has been focusing on cost containment initiatives and optimizing their supply chain, which should help stabilize margins in the future.
Looking ahead, how is Baxter adjusting its outlook, especially considering the impact of Hurricane Helene?
Baxter has adjusted its full-year 2024 guidance to reflect an estimated $200 million impact on Q4 sales due to the hurricane. Despite this, they maintain a positive outlook with a full-year adjusted EPS guidance of $2.90 to $2.94, indicating confidence in their recovery and strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and segment performance. Let's delve into Baxter's strategic initiatives. The sale of their kidney care segment is a significant move. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. The sale of the kidney care segment to Carlyle for $3.80 billion is a pivotal step in Baxter's strategic transformation. This divestiture allows them to focus more on their core segments and streamline operations.
And how did their segments perform this quarter?
Medical products and therapies led the way with a 7% growth, driven by strong demand and successful product launches like the Novum IQ infusion pump. Pharmaceuticals saw a modest 1% growth, with challenges in the injectables and anesthesia division due to order timing and supply constraints.
Leadership insights and risk management. John, what insights did we get from Baxter's leadership regarding their performance and future plans?
CEO Jose Almeida highlighted the company's positive performance and strategic transformation. He emphasized the progress in hurricane recovery efforts at the North Cove facility, which is crucial for maintaining supply continuity.
How is Baxter managing risks, especially with the recent natural disaster?
Baxter is actively working on cost containment initiatives and has a robust plan to offset stranded costs from the kidney care sale. They are targeting a 4 to 5% operational sales growth annually, which shows their commitment to long-term growth despite short-term challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Baxter has shown resilience in the face of challenges, with strong sales and profitability in Q3 2024. The strategic sale of the kidney care segment and ongoing recovery efforts at North Cove are key to their future growth. John, any final thoughts on Baxter's investment prospects?
Baxter's strategic moves and focus on core segments position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their recovery efforts and cost management strategies, which are crucial for sustaining profitability.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Baxter's performance in the comments below.